Now right underneath this, I wanna take another inner container. So let's just click on the Rubik's Cube icon. From here, I'm just dragging this container underneath here. And first of all, with this inner container, I wanna make its direction to row. Then justify content to space between and align items to centered. You are already familiar with the justify content and align items, but still I will explain it later. And in this case, I'm just making the wrap value to wrap. So I'm selecting this option. I'm explaining this wrap a little bit later. So now I just wanna give it a background color. So now scroll up and let's go under style tab. From here, from the background type, let's open the color picker and I'm giving here hash F3 F7 FA. So it's kind of cream color or off-white color. And then I wanna make their corners rounded. For that reason, from here, let's open the border and I wanna add 35 pixel of border radius all around this inner container. Also, I wanna add some padding all around this inner container. So let's go under advanced tab. From here, I'm adding padding. So let's add here 80 pixel or a bit more. I'm adding here 100 pixel of padding. So it's looking like it. Now within this inner container, I wanna take a few more inner containers within this place. So let's just click on this plus icon and within that, I'm just dragging this container here. So first of all, with this inner container, I wanna make the content width to full width and then you can control its width from this place. So if you drag it to the left, you see its width is now decreasing. If you want, you can increase that just by dragging it to the right. But for now, I just wanna keep its width to 30 or 31%. And then I wanna add a background color with it. So let's just go under style tab. From here, from the background type, let's add its background color as white. Or we can do another thing. Let's just clear it. So I'm clicking here. So initially it would be looking like it. I mean, it would be transparent, but on the hover state, just go under hover. So on the hover state, I'm clicking on this classic icon and from the color picker, I'm making its color to white. So initially you see it's just a transparent container or transparent card. And if I hover over on this card, it's become white like this. Alright, now I also wanna make its corner rounded. So for that reason, you already guessed it right. So just from under border, I'm adding the border radius to 20 pixel. And then I also wanna add some inner space with this card. I'm calling it card because we are using it as card, but technically it's actually container. But for now, I'm just calling it as card. So let's just go under its advanced tab and from here, I'm just adding 40 pixel of padding all around of this card. Now within this card, I wanna use the image box widget. So click on this plus icon and from here, I'm just searching for image box. So here you go. We will be using the Elementor's default image box widget. Let's just drag this widget inside here within this card. And now, you can change this image from left side here. You can change this title from here. You can change the description from this field. Like I said, Elementor is super fun. It's all self-explanatory. So first of all, I just wanna change this image. So let's just click on this choose image icon. Choose image place. Then go under upload files. From here, click on select files. And from here, I'm just selecting this image or this PNG icon. So I'm selecting it and click on open. Now click on insert media and here you go. Now within this title field, I just wanted to say UI UX design. And then within this description field, I'm just putting here some dummy content. Then if you want, you can play with this image positioning. Like if you want, you can make it to the left aligned like this. You can make it to the right aligned. But for now, I just want it to the top aligned like this. By the way, here I wanna mention another thing. Like here, you see, I have used some icon or image here. If you wonder where to get these kind of premium looking icons or images, for that you can just go to flaticon.com. So from here you will find different type of icons. So if you're looking for any colorful icons, you will find that. If you are just looking for a flat icons like this, you will find that. Or you can search for the icons name from this place. For example, if you just want to get a globe icon, you can just search here by writing globe and hit enter. And here just have a look, it says 43,000 plus globe icons. So from here you can just find the best icons which is perfect with your website design. And here with each of these icons you can see here download icon, so just click there and download the icon and use it on your website. Alright, let's now go back. So here with this image box, I just want to do some styling, so go under style tab. First of all, I just wanna reduce the space in between this image and this heading. So from here, I'm reducing the spacing to, let's just keep it to 5. And then from here, you can increase the image width like this or decrease the image width. So I'm just keeping it to 27%. Other than that, I'm happy with all these settings. Let's just scroll down, and from here, I'm just opening this content tab. So first of all, I wanna make its alignment to left. So from here, I'm setting it to left aligned. Now from here, you can adjust the spacing of the title from here like this. It's basically the space between this paragraph and the heading. So I'm just keeping it to 10. Then you can set the color of this heading from here. So I just wanna make it to our global main black color. Also, you can adjust the typography from here, so I'm just making it to 27 pixel, and width, let's make it to 700. Alright, so far it looks good, but now underneath this image box, I just wanna add a button. So from here, let's click on the Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm just dragging this button widget underneath the image box here. So first, I just wanna remove this click here, and I want it to say learn more. And you can add any link with this button. Let's say if you're a freelancer and if you work on Upwork or Fiverr, you can just link this button with your Fiverr or Upwork gigs. Or if you have another service website, you can just link them with that. There are lots of uses. And now with this button, I wanna use an icon. So for adding the icon from this place, you can just click here on this icon library, and I'm here searching for arrow icon. So here I'm typing arrow. So you can see there are lots of arrow icons, but I just wanna use this right arrow icon. So I'm selecting it and click on insert. So by default, the icon placed on the left side of the text, but I don't want that. So from here, I'm setting the icon position to after. Cool. Let's now go under its style tab, and actually I just want to make this button as a transparent button, so I don't want any background color here. So for that reason, the background color, I'm just making it transparent. I'm just dragging this bottom bar to the left side, so it will become transparent. Okay, so let's just drag it to the very left like this. And we cannot see the text here because we need to set the text color from this place, and it would be our global black color, that's main black. And as it's a transparent button, so I don't want this space. So from here, I'm just making the padding to 0 pixel. Alright, so I'm happy with this card so far. Now I just want to duplicate it a couple more times. So to duplicate it, you can just right click here and duplicate it. And there is another way because we have enabled the editing handles. So if I just hover over here on this icon, you can click here to duplicate it. So let's just duplicate it. And I want to duplicate it one more time. So click here on the duplicate icon. So now just have a look. Initially it's looking like it, and when I hover over on any card, the background color becomes white. To understand it properly, let's just minimize the bar from left side. So initially it's looking like it, and when I hover over on it, it's looking like it. Very cool. And now you can just easily change all of these images and text. So I'm just selecting this one. Let's now click on this choose image, go to upload files, let's select the file. And for the second one, I'm selecting this one, open it, insert media, and here within this title, I'm just writing here web design. And with the third one, I just want it to say, for example, branding, and let's change the image. You already got it right. Just go under upload files, click on select files. Now from here for the branding, I'm selecting this icon, click on open, then click on insert media. So it's easy like that. Now here I wanna show you another thing, because you may remember with their parent container, I mean with this container, let's select it, go under its layout tab, and here I have given the wrap value to wrap this one. Now if I just disable this wrap from here, so I'm clicking here again to disable it. Now have a look. If I just duplicate this one more time, let's duplicate it. You see all these cards are trying to adjust within the same row. But again, let's select its parent container, this one, from under its layout tab. If I just turn on the wrap from this place, you see right now, just after these 3 cards, the 4th one is not trying to adjust within the same row. It just is splitted into the next line. So that's basically the reason in their parent container I have enabled the wrap. And in the same way, if you want to add more services, you can just duplicate it and you can change the icon, change the name, change the details, But for now, I just want to keep these 3. So I'm deleting this one. Let's just delete it from here. Alright, so far this services area looks great. Now underneath this cream color section, I just wanna add some logos of the clients. So first of all, before the logo, I wanna add a heading. So click on the Rubik's Cube icon from here. I'm just dragging the heading widget underneath here in this place. And actually we can do another thing, because you see whenever each time I drag the heading element, it's getting the default bluish color. So we can change this color globally, so each time we don't need to change the heading color. So first of all, I'm just clicking on this green update button to save our work. Now to change the global color, again let's click on this hamburger icon from the top left, go inside site settings. Now let's go inside global colors, and here the primary color, I just wanna set it as #0b0b0b. You see it's instantly getting our default black color. Alright, just click outside and click on this update button to save these settings. Now just click on this X to get rid of the global settings. Alright, it jumps us to the top of the page. Let's just scroll down and select this one. I just wanna change the heading text, and you can change the text from this place. Also, if you want, you can just double click over this heading. Actually not double click, you just need to triple click over here and you can type here your own heading. So here I'm just pasting some dummy text. It says we are already built solution for. Okay, so I just wanna make its alignment to centered, and making the alignment centered from this place. Now let's do some styling. So go under style tab. From here, from the typography, I'm making its size to 24 pixel. And then I'm just making its font weight to 500. Also, I want to add some space at the top of this heading. You can just go under its advanced tab and you can add some margin top. Also, you can do another thing, because its previous content, its previous child is this container, this one. So let's just select it, go under its advanced tab. So have a look here, we can just add some bottom margin with this container. So unlink it. Here at the bottom, I'm adding 100 pixel of margin, so the space has been created. Also with this container, I want to add some top margin here. So at the top, I'm adding 20 pixel of margin. So right now it's also looking decent. Alright, so we were with this heading. So now underneath this heading, I wanna add some images. Actually, I wanna use the image carousel. So click on this Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm just searching for image carousel. This one is the Elementor's default image carousel. So I'm dragging this image carousel underneath this heading here in this place. And here within this image carousel, you can add as many as images you want. And here I just wanna show my clients images. So I wanna use my clients business logos. So from here, just click on this plus icon and go to upload files, click on select files. And you can select multiple images at the same time. So from here, I'm selecting this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now I want to upload all of them together, so I'm clicking on open. So all these images are selected. Let's now first click on create a new gallery. Now from this place, you can just order or reorder the icons or logos. For example, if I want to put the Amazon first, I just can drag this Amazon to the very first here in this place. So when you are happy with the ordering, then click on insert gallery, and here we go. And like I said, as it's a carousel, so we can see here these dots or the navigators, but actually I don't need them. So if you want to disable these dots, you can do that from here, from this navigation. So let's open it. You see from here, if you just select none, so it will be disappeared like this. And also we can only see 3 logos here, but you remember we have uploaded more, so you can control how many images you want to display in this place. You can do that from here. It says slides to show, so from here I just want to make it to 5. So here we can see 5 logos, but I think we can add one more. So from here, slides to show, I'm just making it to 6. So here at the same time we can see 6 logos here within the image carousel. And then I just wanna do a little bit spacing with this, because at the top I think we need to add some space. So go under its advanced tab, first unlink its margin. Here at the top I'm adding 30 pixel of margin, and also at the bottom I'm adding 100 pixel of margin. Alright, now underneath this image carousel, I wanna add another container, and within that container, we can talk about ourselves or our business or our agency, you know. So it's a sneak peek about our agency or our business. So first of all, let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon, and I'm dragging this container underneath this image carousel in this place. So here with this container, make sure you have selected this container. First of all, I wanna set its direction to row, because within this container I will be adding 2 more containers that will be inner container of this main container. Okay, and here I'm also setting its align items to centered. You are already familiar with the align items and justify content concept, right? So now within this container, let's click on this plus icon, and here I'm just dragging another container here in this place. Maybe you cannot see it yet because they have placed at the same place, but if I just right click here and let's open the navigator, just have a look. This is the parent container, this one. Within that, here we have got another container. So I just wanna duplicate the inner container, so right click over here and click on duplicate. Now you can see this is the left container and this one is the right container. Now first, within the left container, I just want to insert an image. So click on the plus icon, then here I'm dragging the image widget inside the left container here. Now to choose the image, you already know, just click on choose image, go to upload files, click on select files, and I'm selecting this one, click on open, click on insert media. So it's now looking like it. Now within the right container, okay, we cannot see it properly, so first of all I'm just closing the navigator. Okay, now within the right container I wanna add some heading and subheading, but if you remember, we have already created a heading and subheading design, because if we scroll up a little bit, here you see we already have created this heading and subheading design. So whenever you create any design and you want to create a similar thing on the same page or same website, you don't need to do the same thing twice. Okay, you can just copy and paste the thing. Like here, if you wanna use the same thing above, just right click over this widget, like I'm here right clicking, and click on copy. Then let's just scroll down. Like I said, within this right container I want to paste it, so right click here and I'm clicking on paste. You see it's instantly pasted here. How cool is that? Now the very first thing I want to do, instead of centered align, I just want to make it to left aligned. So from under its style tab, I'm just making the alignment to left. Now here I just wanna change the main heading, so go under content tab. From here, first of all I'm just removing it, and here I'm just writing best online agency since 2023. And also I wanna change the subheading, so from here open the subtitle field and I just want it to say our agency. Also I wanna change this description text, so from here open the title description. First I'm just removing this one and here I'm pasting some dummy content. Cool. Now right after this I wanna add a button, and you guessed it right, we already have created a button earlier. So let's just scroll up. From here we can just copy this button, so I'm right clicking here, then click on copy. Let's now scroll down and right underneath this place, so I'm just putting my cursor here in this place, then right click here and click on paste. You see it's instantly pasted with all these styles here. Now just instead of get started here, I wanted to say learn more. And as it's a sneak peek about our company or our team, so if you want, you can just link this learn more button with your about page. And you may remember we already have created an empty about page. So for now, I just wanna link this with our about page. So from within this link field, let's just remove the hash first. And here, if I start typing our page name, that's about. So here it's suggesting our about page because it says about, and also right side we can understand it's our about page. So let's just select it. You see it's automatically getting the URL, that's https:// then our website name /about. That's basically our about pages link. Alright, now next I wanna create our portfolio section. So to create that, you already guessed it, right? So whenever you want to create any new section, you just need to click on this plus icon. So I'm doing the same. I'm just clicking on this plus icon. And here I wanna take this column directed container. So I'm selecting this structure. Now let's go under its style tab because I just wanna give it a background color. So from the background type, I'm selecting the color. That's hash F3 F7 FA. So it's the same cream color. And with this background color, I also wanna add some PNG background image. So from here, let's click on this image, go to upload files, click on select files. So from here, I'm just selecting this one. It says project shape. So let's select it, click on open, and let's insert it. Actually, at this moment, we cannot see the background properly, but when we will have more contents, it will be more visible because we will get more height in this container. But for now, I also wanna set its position. So from here, I'm making the position to, let's say, top right. And I don't want this PNG image to be repeated. So from here, I'm just making the repeat to no repeat. Then similar like other containers, I just want to add some spacing. So let's go under advanced tab. From here, first I'm adding 20 pixel of padding all around. Now let's unlink it because at the top I want to add more. So here I'm adding 120 pixel at the top and 100 at the bottom. Okay, so similar like before here, I wanna reuse the heading widget. So from here, let's scroll up, just right click here, then copy it and scroll down within this container, right click here and click on paste. But here with this, I don't want this description. So from here, open the title description and I'm just removing the description from this field. And here instead of our agency, so I'm just opening the subtitle. Here I wanted to say our projects, and also with the main heading or main title, let's open it, and here I just wanted to say creative work. Now here my main goal is to display all our recent portfolios or our recent projects, and I want to display all the recent projects in a filterable gallery or a filterable tabs. So to do that, we just need to enable one option first. So whatever we have done to save it, just click on the green update button, and then let's just go back to our WordPress dashboard. And you are already familiar with all these, like how to go back to WordPress dashboard, right? So just click on the hamburger icon, then click on exit. Now from WordPress dashboard, just hover over on this Elementor. From there, click on settings. Then go under this features tab here, and you may remember you have turned on flex container from this place. So just right after that, here we can see nested elements. So from here, just click there and click on active. Let's now scroll down and click on save changes. Alright, now we can go back inside Elementor again. So from here, let's go to pages to all pages, and here is the home page. Now I'm clicking on edit with Elementor. Alright, so here we are. Let's just scroll down, and right under this heading, I wanna use tabs this time. Okay, so first from here, let's click on the Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm searching for tabs. And we will be this tabs widget. This is the Elementor's default tabs. Let's just drag these tabs underneath this heading here. Now first have a look on the tab items. Okay, so you can change the tabs name from here. Just click on that and you can change the tab name. For example, here I'm writing just UI UX. Let's now minimize it. Then if you wanna delete anything, you can just click on this X. Also, let's click on this X. And then if you want to duplicate anything, you just need to click on this duplicate icon. And also here, instead of UI UX, here I'm just writing, for example, web design. Let's minimize it, and I'm just duplicating it one more time. And here, for example, I'm just writing branding. So in this way, you can add as many as tabs you want. Now here underneath you will find some settings like direction, justify, and align title. So here by default the direction is set to this one, top, but if you want you can make it to bottom or right or left aligned like this. So I just wanna use the left aligned one. Then for the justify you can use the centered one or the end one, but I'm just keeping the default start one. Also if you want you can control the width of these tabs. Like from here, if you just drag this width, you see the tabs are now getting bigger in width. So I just wanna keep its width to 22%. And then align title. So right now you see it's centered aligned, but I just wanna make it to left aligned like this. Alright, let's now do some quick styling with these tabs. So go under style tab. So here we can see if I hover over on any tab, it's getting green color, and the active one is also getting the green color. But if you have a look, the green color is not matching with our color combination of the website. So for that reason, I just wanna remove this green color. So here on the normal state, let's just keep it like this. But on hover, I just wanna make it white. So from here, from the color picker, I'm making the background color to white. And also for the active state, so right now the UI UX is active. So go to active state. Here I'm also making the background color to white. Then we need to change these titles color. So to do it, from here, let's scroll down and I'm opening the titles. So on the normal state and on hover state, okay, so I'm just going under hover state. So on the hover state, I'm just making it to our default text color. So if I just hover here, it's getting the default text color. And on the active state, I'm just making it to our global black color. So I'm selecting the main black color. And from the typography, I just wanna make them a bit bolder. So from the typography, I'm just making the font weight to 600. All right. Now here this tab is really interesting with the nested elements. So I'm just giving you a quick example. So here first with the first option, I mean within the UI UX, let's click on this plus icon. Actually you can insert anything within this place. So first I'm just clicking on this Rubik's Cube icon. From here I'm just dragging an image widget within here. So let's choose an image. For example, I'm selecting this image, click on insert media, and now I'm just clicking over this web design one. And within the web design tab area, let's now click on the Rubik's Cube icon again. And here I'm dragging the image widget in this place. Here, let's select the image. And for the second one, I'm selecting this image, click on insert media. Now have a look. If I click on UI UX, we can see this image, and if I click on web design, we can see this image. So not only any single image, you can insert anything under any tab. You can design multiple widgets, you can design multiple layouts. Actually, you can do here limitless work. You can do lots of creativity here. Okay, so first of all, I'm just deleting this image from here. Also, let's go under UI UX tab. Also, I'm deleting this image from here. So now let's start with the UI UX tab. Okay, here first I wanna take 3 columns. So first of all, let's just click on this plus icon, and from here I'm taking these 2 container structure. So select it, and basically here I want to have 3 columns. So for that reason I'm just duplicating one of the containers from here. So it's now divided into 3 containers. So here let's now start with the middle one, because if we create anything with the middle container, we can just duplicate them to the left and right container. So here I'm starting with the middle container. Let's select this container, go under its style tab, because I just want to make its background color to white like this. And also I want to make its corner rounded. So from here let's open the border, and here I'm adding 35 pixel of border radius. Now here within this container, I wanna use image box widget. So click on this plus icon, and from here I'm just searching for image box, but this time instead of the Elementor's default image box widget, I will be using the image box. It's basically coming from Elements Kit. So let's drag this widget from left side to this middle container here. Now you can just change this heading from here. So I'm opening this body from here and I'm inserting a title here. Then within the description field, you can write any description about this specific project. Then if I open this button field, you can work with this button, like instead of learn more, here I just wanted to say live preview. And you can change this image from the left side. So I'm opening the image tab. Let's select it. Go to upload files, click on select files. So I'm selecting this image, click on open, and let's insert this image. Alright, it looks okay. We can do some styling with it. Before that, I just want to add an icon with this button. So let's open the button field again. And here, I just want to insert an icon. So from here, I'm just searching for external icon. I'm selecting this one. Let's insert it. And I just want to position this after the text. So here I can position, I'm setting it to after. Alright, let's now do some styling with this image box. So scroll up, go under style tab. So let's first open this body option from here. Body means basically this area. So here I just wanna add some padding. So to add the padding, we can do that from this place. So I'm adding 20 pixel of padding here, but I think we can add more at the top and bottom. So let's unlink it. At the top and bottom, I'm adding 40 pixel of padding. Then here with the title, you see the default margin bottom is 20 pixel, but instead of 20, we can add here 15. Oops, actually we can just keep it like this. So here, first of all, I'm unlinking it, and only at the bottom, I'm adding 20 pixel of bottom space. Then I just want to increase this heading size. So from this typography, let's open it. I'm just making the font size to 24 pixel. Alright, now with this description, so from here, I just wanna change its color to our text color. So from this color, let's open this globe icon. I just wanna set our global text color, this one. And here, I also wanna sync the design of this button. So from left, let's open this button tab. First of all, I just wanna make the font weight a bit bolder. So from here, from the typography, I'm making the font weight to 700. And then I just wanna make its background color to white. So from here, background color, let's just make it to white. And then the text color, I'm just making it to our global blue color. And on hover, I just want it to be reversed. So on hover, I'm making the text color to white color. And then the background type, let's set the color. We can actually set the color from our global color. So it would be our blue color. Also, I wanna add a border with this button. So from this place, I'm just opening the border type to solid. And let's give it a 1 pixel of width. Then the border color, let's also select the global blue color. Oops, we cannot see it because I have done it under hover. So under hover, we can just remove it. So I'm just making it to none. So under normal stage, so here I'm making the border type to solid. And here I'm giving the border width to 1. And the color, we can just give it to our global blue color. Then let's add a little bit of a border radius, maybe 20 pixel. Yep, right now it looks great. Also, we can see the beautiful hover effect. Cool. And here the very last thing, I also wanna change this heading color. So from here, let's open the body again. And here is our title. And from here, we can change this color to our global black color, this main black. Alright, now I just wanna duplicate this inner container. So let's duplicate it. And here I'm duplicating it one more time. And the left one is empty. So I'm just deleting the left inner container. Also, let's delete the right empty inner container. And here you can change all these images and this title, like with this one, just click over it. And from here, changing this image, go to upload files, click on select files. For the second one, I'm selecting this image, click on open. let's insert it, and only to make you understand, here instead of UI UX 1, this time open the body, and here I'm writing UI UX 2, and with the third one, here first open the body, here I'm writing UI UX 3, and let's also change the third one image. So from here, go to upload files, click on select files, and from here for the third one I'm selecting this image. Let's open it and insert it as well. So here under UI UX category or UI UX tab, we can see these 3 projects. But here I think we can add some space in between these cards. So to do it, just right click over here and open the navigator, because here without navigator we cannot find their parent. So just have a look on the navigator here. So first of all, this one is the first container. Let's select it. So this is the left one, I'm minimizing it, and then this is the second one or the middle one, I'm minimizing it as well, and this one is the third one, I'm minimizing it as well. So these 3 containers parent is this one, so it says tab 1. Let's select it. Now from this tab 1, just have a look on this left panel. You see the gap between is set to 0 by default, but here instead of 0 I'm making it to 20 pixel. So here it gets 20 pixel of space in between of these inner containers. Cool. Alright, let's now just close the navigator, and here I wanna show you one tricky thing. Like we have worked under UI UX tab, right? Now if we go under web design tab, you see this is empty. So if you wanna create anything like we have done under UI UX, you need to do that here from scratch, right? But I don't wanna do that. We wanna work smartly, right? For that reason, first of all, let's just go under content tab of the tabs widget. From here, first of all, I'm just deleting this web design and branding tabs. So let's delete it, and also let's delete this one. Now we only have this UI UX tab. So this time if I duplicate it, it will be duplicated with all these inner containers. You got it? So let's just duplicate this UI UX, and also I'm duplicating it one more time. Now have a look. If I go under this UI UX, we can see all of them. Also under this UI UX, I mean within this second tab, we can see all these elements. But to make you understand more easily, instead of this UI UX, let's now just rename it to web design, and the third one I'm just naming it to branding, for instance. And here under web design category or web design tabs, so if I click here on this web design, we can see these 3. So let's just select the first one here. Instead of, okay, just go inside body, instead of UI UX, here I'm just writing web design 1, or just we can write web 1. Then with the second one, let's go inside its body, and here I'm writing web 2. With the third one, here go inside the body, here I'm writing web 3. Now you will understand it properly. When I'm clicking on UI UX, you see all these are under UI UX. That means all these are UI UX projects. Now if I click on web design, you see all the 3 elements are changing. So all these are web design projects. In the same way, you can just go under branding tab, and here instead of UI UX, we can just write here branding 1. Now select the second element. From here go to body, and here I'm writing branding 2. With the third one, here I'm just writing branding 3. So not just these dummy names, you can change all these images under branding categories. You can change all these live links. So when people go under web design tab, they can see your web design work. So you can change these images with your web design projects images. You can add the live preview links of your web design projects. You got it, right? Actually, these nested elements make our life more easier. So we're done with the tabs, but now I just wanna adjust this heading spacing. So let's just select this heading. Now go under its advanced tab. First of all, here I'm giving padding value to 0. And now here I wanna show you another thing. Okay, first of all, I'm unlinking it. Like you see, we can give the padding value in pixel or EM or percentage or REM, but also there is another option. It says custom. So let's just select the very last option. So let's say if you wanna use anywhere pixel formatted padding or anywhere percent padding, you can do that in the same field. For example, here at the top I'm giving here 0, and then here at the bottom I'm giving it to 40. Also we can mention pixel or percentage, so here I'm giving 40 pixel. So here underneath 40 pixel space has been added, and on the left side I wanna add 23% of padding. So here instead of pixel I'm writing 23%. So this heading goes 23% from the left side. Cool. Let's now scroll down. Now I wanna create our next section, and it would be the testimonial section. So let's first click on this plus icon, and similar like before I'm taking this column structure. Let's select it. Now go under its style tab. From here I'm just giving it a solid color, and that would be #1E 1C 1E. So it's basically a dark color, and combining with it I also wanna use a PNG image. So from here let's select the image, go to upload files, click on select files, and from here I'm selecting this one. It says testimonial shape, so I'm selecting it. Let's open it, and then let's insert it. Actually it's a very sharp curve, so you cannot see it yet, but when we will have content within this container you can see that properly. But of course we can do the positioning from here at this moment. So I'm setting the position from here. Let's set it to top right, and also similar like before I'm just making the repeat to no repeat. Then I also wanna add some spacing with it, so just go under advanced tab. From here first of all I'm adding 20 pixel of padding, then let's unlink it. So here at the top and bottom I'm adding 100 pixel of padding. Now again here I just wanna copy and paste the heading element. So from here scroll up, we can just copy this one again. So from here right click and copy it. Let's scroll down within this container, right click and click on paste. But here I don't want this subheading, also I don't want the description. So from here I'm just removing the subheading. We can just turn it off. Also the title description, let's open it, we can turn it off from this place. And here as the background color is black or dark, so I wanna make its color to white. So let's select it, go under its style tab. From here open the title, and I just wanna make its color to white color. Then instead of this text, go under content. Here I'm pasting another dummy header or heading, and here just before this hour I will be adding the break tag, so it will be split into two different lines. So here before the hour, here I'm writing the BR tag. So now this our customer is split into the next line. Alright, now underneath I wanna take another container, I mean inner container. So if I just scroll up, you may remember we have created this container a few moments ago. So if we just select this container, you may remember all of these things, like we have set the direction to row, we have made the justify content to space between, we have made align items to centered, also we have used wrap. I also have explained how this wrap works and why we use wrap. So actually I wanna use the same method here, so I don't wanna explain everything, so I'm quickly doing it. Just stay with me, you can understand it properly. So here right after this heading, let's click on the Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm dragging this container here underneath. And like I said, I'm making the direction to row, also I'm making the justify content value to space between, and here I'm making the wrap value to wrap. Now within this container I wanna take a few inner containers. So from here let's click on the Rubik's Cube icon. From here I'm just dragging this container within here, and similar like before, just right click here, open the navigator, so we can just make sure we have selected the inner container. So right click here and click on duplicate. So here let's first select the first inner container, this one. Now from here I'm making its content width to full width, and let's set its width to 48%. Then from here I'm setting the gap to 15, and also let's go under its style tab, because from here I'm giving its background color to pure white color. Then we can add some border radius to make their corner rounded. So from the border here I'm adding 20 pixel of border radius. Then let's go under advanced tab, because here I just wanna add some padding. I'm giving here 40 pixel of padding. Actually I just wanna use this padding on the right, bottom and left. On the top I don't want that, so unlink it, and here at the top I'm making it to 0. And also I wanna add some space at the top here, so I'm just unlinking the margin, and here at the top I'm adding 60 pixel of margin. Now here I wanna show you another interesting thing. You may see here within its parent container we have taken this container. So this is the first child of this parent container, and this is the second child of this parent container. So we have done some styling with the first container, like we have made its content width to full width, we have set its width to 48%, also we have given some gap. Also from under the style tab we have given the border radius, we have given the background color. So now if you want to do the same thing with the second inner container, you don't need to do that from scratch. There is a simple way. So make sure just select the first container here, right click, click on copy, and this time just right click over the second inner container here and click on paste style. Remember, not on paste, just click on paste style. So it's instantly get the same style from the first container. Okay, now we can just close the navigator, and here we can do some, we can insert some elements within this container. So let's click on this plus icon. First of all, I just wanna insert an image here. So let's choose the image, go to upload files, click on select files, and from here I'm just selecting this one. Actually you can use your real client's images here. I'm just using an avatar image, so I'm selecting this one, click on open, then click on insert media. Now here first of all I just wanna make its alignment to left aligned. Now go under style tab, I just wanna give it a width, but not in percentage, I'm giving it in pixel, and let's make it 85 pixel. Now with this image I wanna use a border, so from here let's select the border type to solid, and here border width I'm giving it to 10 pixel, and then I'm setting the border color as white color. Actually if I make it white at this moment you cannot understand why I'm doing this, so for the moment let's just keep it to black. Now have a look, I just wanna increase the border radius value to 100, so that will make this border fully rounded. Okay, so from here I'm setting the border radius to 100. Now my goal is to push this image to the top in this place. For that reason we need to add some negative margin with this image. So let's go under advanced tab, from here unlink the margin, and here I'm just adding negative. Actually if you wanna use any negative value, so you see by default it stays on 0, but if you just click on this down arrow here, so you can make negative value from here. So I just wanna make it negative 41 pixel. So it's now here at the top, and now we can go under the style tab, and here we can make the border color from black to white. It looks really cool. Now underneath this image I wanna use a heading, so click on the Rubik's Cube icon. From here let's drag this heading widget here, and I want it to say James Cooper. Actually it's a real name of my client, and just go under style tab because I'm making its font size to 22 pixel, also the font weight to 700. Then you can just simply duplicate this heading by hovering over here, and let's duplicate it, and here instead of James Cooper I just wanted to say, for example, Elementor expert, or maybe product designer, and then you can adjust its typography from under here. So I'm just making its text color to our global text color, and from typography let's make it a little bit smaller. So from here I'm making its font size to 14 pixel, and font weight let's just make it to medium 500. Then right after the role I just wanna put the real testimonial or review, so let's just go to the Rubik's Cube icon. Here I'm dragging the text editor widget, this one right underneath this heading here, and you can paste your client's real reviews here. So I'm pasting here some dummy text, and you know what, I just want to make its color to our pure black color. So from under style tab, let's just make it to our pure main black color. Alright, so we have made one. You can now just simply duplicate this inner container. So I'm duplicating it. Let's duplicate it couple more time, and I'm duplicating it one more time. And also this one is empty, so we can now delete it from here. And you can now change all these headshots, all the name, all the occupation, all the real reviews from this place. For example, I'm just selecting this one, go to images, go to upload files, click on select files, and from here you can upload all the images together. So I'm selecting this image and this image, let's upload them together. So for the second testimonial, I'm selecting this image, click on insert media, and for the third one, let's select another image. So here for the third one, I'm selecting this image, click on insert media. So in this way, like I said, you can change all the content by yourself. Alright, so far we have done almost everything with the home page. So here is the testimonial area, here is the services, or actually it's not services, it's the projects or portfolio area, and here is the about agency area. Here we have done the services area, and here at the top we have created our beautiful banner area. Now if you remember, on the tutorial's intro you have seen some floating animations here and there with the whole website. And this is the time I will show you how to do that very easily. So first of all, actually we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard. So far whatever we have done to save it, just click on this green update button to save our work, and then we will go back to our WordPress dashboard. So from here, just click on the hamburger icon, now click on exit, and now we will go to our theme customizer. Okay, so to go to the theme customizer, from left, if I hover over on appearance, now from here you can see customize. So I'm just opening this customize from a new tab. So just right click here and click on open it, open the link in the new tab. So here is the theme customizer is opening. Actually I will talk more about the theme customizer later, but right now I just wanna do one thing from the theme customizer, because if I now scroll down, I just wanna open this additional CSS field. So here actually I will be adding some CSS code, but no worries, you don't need to know a single line of CSS because I already have written the code. You just need to copy that and paste that within this field. And now you may wonder why I'm doing this within the theme customizer, not inside of the Elementor page builder. Because if you want to use any custom CSS within the Elementor page builder, then you need to have Elementor Pro version. As we're using the Elementor free version in this tutorial, that's why we are using the theme customizer. Okay, so here is the custom CSS input field. Now to get the CSS snippet, we can just go to jimfahaddigital.com, and here from this page, from under important links, let's scroll down a bit more. Here you can see it says floating animation CSS. Actually it a bit chunk of CSS, so you just need to copy this whole CSS snippets. Don't copy also this animation classes, this text, not that. Just copy whatever within this area. Okay, so from here I'm just selecting the CSS snippet. Let's select it until this place. I'm copying it. Now go inside the theme customizer and I will be pasting the code within this field. So put your cursor here and I'm pressing Command V, so it's now pasted here inside. Actually this is the first step to enable those floating icons, but you need to do this thing first. We have just put the custom CSS snippet. I already have written that for you. So to save it, just click on this top publish icon. And actually we can now close this customizer by clicking on this top left X. Let's now go inside Elementor page builder again. So from pages, let's go to all pages. Here is our home page. Now I'm clicking on edit with Elementor. So now the first floating image I will be adding within the main banner area. So that's basically this first container. So first of all, I'm selecting this container. Now here I wanna show you one thing first. Just right click over this container, click on navigator. So if I open the first container, I'm in this banner areas container, and here within, this one is the left container and this one is the right container. But now I will be adding an image which will be at the top of these two containers, I mean in this place. So to do it, first of all, I'm selecting the main container. Let's now click on the Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm dragging an image element. Okay, first of all, I'm just dragging this image element at the top of this place here. But you see, this image is going under the left container here. I don't want that. I want to drag this image at the top of this container. So I'm dragging it here in this place. So we can now minimize the left container here. So you see the structure. Here is the parent container. Here we have got our new image widget, and here this one is the left container and this one is the right container. Okay, so let's now select this image, and I wanna upload another icon for that. So go to upload files, click on select files. For the first floating image, I wanna use this one, so I'm selecting it, click on open. Now click on insert media. We can now see this image here. You see it's little tiny image here, and actually now I wanna set its position to absolute. To do that, let's now go under advanced tab. From here, first of all, let's set the position to absolute. Now you see it's at the top left corner here, because the default absolute position is from left side it would be 0 and from top it would be 0. So it's at the very top left corner. But now we can control the horizontal orientation and vertical orientation from this place. So first of all, the horizontal orientation is set to from left. Okay, let's keep it like this. But here the offset, instead of pixel, I'm setting it as percentage, and I'm just giving it 4% from left side. So if you just increase it, you see the higher the percentage is, it's moving from left the more. But I just want to keep it to 4%. And then from top also I'm making it in percentage. From top I'm making it 10%. So it's pushed 10% from top. Also here with the z-index value, I just want to use a negative number. So here I'm putting -5 or 9. Or we can explain about this z-index value later. So for now, I'm just keeping the z-index value to the default. And now here's the final thing. We need to add a class name with this image. Then it will start animating. And I also have written the class names for you. So if I go again to jimfahaddigital.com, just after the CSS snippet, if I scroll down here, you see I have written here 3 class names. So first of all, I'm just selecting the first class name, this one. Let's copy it, go inside Elementor. Oops, not here, here. So I'm just moving this tab here. Okay, so now within this CSS classes field, I'm pasting the class name here. You see it starts moving like this, and just focus on the moving animation, the way it's moving. So as I have used this class name, so it's moving in this movement. But instead of this class name, let's just go back to Jimfire Digital again. So instead of this class name, if I now use the second one, so let's just copy the second class name, go inside Elementor, and first I'm removing the class name we have put first. Now I'm pasting the second class name here. You see now it's moving in a different manner. So you can just play with all of these class names, which is suitable for you. You can use that. So here instead of the second one, I'm removing it again. Go to jimfahaddigital.com. I just want to use the first one, so I'm copying it again, go inside Elementor, and I'm pasting the CSS class name here because I like this animation more. Okay, so I wanted to talk about another thing, that's the z-index. So if you have a look, you see this icon is now moving over this heading. Why is that? Because this image's z-index value is bigger than this heading, but I don't want that. I want this image moving just underneath this heading. For that reason, we need to set the z-index value of this image lower than this heading. So from here, I'm setting its z-index value. For example, I'm just setting it to 5. And now we need to set the z-index value of this heading something higher than 5. Okay, so now I'm selecting this heading widget. Just go under its advanced tab, and here I'm making its z-index value to 7. Now just have a look. Now the icon is going under the heading, not over the heading. You got it, right? Alright, now I wanna add another floating icon here. So to do it, let's just select the image which is floating right now. So I just wanna duplicate this image first. So from the navigator, I'm right clicking here and let's duplicate it. And with the second one, let's change this one. So I just wanna change this icon with another one. Okay, I'm going to upload files, click on select files. And for the second one, I'm just selecting this one. Let's select it. Now open it and insert it here. And you know what, I just wanna change its position. So go under advanced tab. From here, as we have duplicated the previous icon, so it gets all the horizontal or vertical values from the first image, but I wanna change them. So for the second image, I just wanna set the horizontal position from right, and from right I wanna set it to 47%. Then vertical orientation from top is correct, and I just wanna make it to 32%. And actually here at the horizontal offset we have given it in pixel. Make sure we have set it in percentage. So now we can see it here, and you know, it's now this icon is now moving over this image. So we need to increase the z-index value of this image. That should be anything more than 5. So now I'm selecting this big image. Now go under its advanced tab. Also I'm setting its z-index value to anything higher than 5. So it could be 6 or 7 or 10, anything. So I'm just putting here 7. Now you see the icon is now moving under this image. So all over the banner area is now looking really great. So to get the real feel, I'm just closing the navigator. Also I'm just minimizing the bar from left side so you can have a proper look. You see, over all these moving elements make our banner area really cool. Alright, let's now open the bar from left. Let's now scroll down because I wanna add some more floating icons over the website. So this time I'm selecting this container. Probably we have selected the left container, so for that reason actually I use all the time the navigator. Okay, so you can just right click anywhere. I'm just right clicking here and open the navigator from here. And like I said, you see we have actually selected the left container, but I wanted to select their parent container, this one. So here just click on this Rubik's cube icon, and similar like before, I just wanna insert an image. So here I'm dragging this image here at the top of this image in this place, and again it inserted within the left container, but I don't want that. I just wanna moving it at the top of the left container here. So I'm minimizing the left container. So this is the left container, this is the right container, and above this left and right container here we have got our image. So this image is also now immediate parent of their parent container. Alright, so let's select this image again. So I'm just choosing the image. Now let's go to, actually here we have got the image. So I'm selecting this one, click on insert media. You see here is the little tiny image, and we can now change its position. So go under advanced tab. From here first I'm making its position to absolute. Now I just wanna set it the horizontal orientation from left. I'm making it percentage, and let's set it to 47%. So here it is, and we can now go to gymfaddigital.com, and I just wanna use this third class name. So I'm copying this class name from here. It says rotate me, so you can understand what it will do. So go inside Elementor, and here within the CSS classes field I'm just pasting the class name. So you see it started rotating here. So I really like it. Then you know, I just wanna use some other floating icons. So from here just right click here and duplicate it. So here with the second one, let's change this one. Go to upload files, click on select files, and this time I'm selecting this PNG icon, click on open. Now click on insert media, and of course I wanna change its position, so go under advanced tab. From here I wanna make it 3% from left, and this time from bottom I'm making it in percentage, and let's set it to 45%. So here we can set, and you know what to do. So I'm just setting its z-index value to 5, and this image I'm just setting its value to higher than that, that would be 7. So now this icon is moving underneath this girl's image, and also I don't want it to be rotated like this one, so I also wanna change the class name. So from here I just wanna use the first class name. Let's select it, go inside Elementor, and here with this image, so that's basically the second image, this one, from under its advanced tab, I'm just changing its class name. First I'm removing this rotate me, and I'm pasting the new class name. So it's now moving in a different manner. You see it's moving like this. And here I wanna also add another image, so from here just right click here, now click on duplicate. Let's select the image, so from upload file, select file. For the third one I'm just selecting this image. Now click on open. Actually it's not image, it's an icon. Okay, just insert it, and now go under advanced tab. I also wanna change its position, so it would be from right, and again I'm making it percentage, and it would be 12%. Then from bottom it would be 19%. So you can see it here, and as it's moving over this heading area or this right container, you can just increase the z-index value of this right container. So I'm just selecting this right container, go under its advanced tab. From here I'm selecting its z-index value to 7, so it won't go over this right container element again. And for this one I wanna use a different class name, so I'm selecting this one from the navigator here. Now go to jimfahdigital.com, and for that I just want to use this second one, so I'm selecting it. Now go inside Elementor, and from here scroll down instead of this class name, so I'm removing it and pasting the second class name here. See, all of them are animating in a different way. This one is a different way, this one is moving in a different way, and this one is spinning here like forever. Okay, so let's scroll down. I just wanna add one more icon, I mean floating icon here. So let's select this container. So here within this container, let's open it. Here I wanna insert an image, so let's click on the Rubik's Cube icon. From here I'm just dragging this image widget here at the top. So you see it just sit over this heading widget, so we don't need to move it anywhere. Just select the image, and we can use this same image. Now insert it, go under its advanced tab. Similar like before, I'm setting its position to absolute, and I wanna set it as from right. I mean for the horizontal orientation, let's set the offset in percentage, and I'm setting it as 33%. And then the vertical orientation, let's set it from top, and I'm just making it to 15%. Also I wanna set the class name from here, so this time I wanna use the first one. Let's go inside Elementor and paste the class name within this field. And the z-index term, so here I'm setting the z-index value to 5, and then other elements z-index value, for example this heading, so just go under advanced tab. I'm setting its z-index value to 7. Also with this container, so it cannot go over this anytime. For that reason, to keep safe, just select it, go under its advanced tab, and I'm adding here the higher z-index number again, so I'm putting here 7. Cool. Let's now close the navigator, and so far whatever we have done with the home page, to save it, let's now click on this green update button. So we are almost done with the home page. Now we just need to check how our website is looking on the mobile device and tablet devices, which means we just need to check the responsiveness of our website. And by using Elementor Page Builder, making any website or web page responsive is super easy. So first of all, if I want to check how our website is looking on tablet device, Then from here you can see a responsive mode icon. I'm just clicking there. Now here at the top we can see 3 icons. One is desktop, which we already have made, and then here's the tablet icon, and here is the mobile icon. So first I'm going to the tablet device. So here right now our website is looking like it on tablet devices. So let's now start from this banner area. So in the banner area you see everything is looking great, but I think we just need to reduce the font size of this heading. So first of all I'm selecting this heading widget. Now let's go under its style tab, and here I'm opening the typography. Now have a look here. On the side we can see a little tiny tablet icon. So only for the tablet device I wanna reduce its font size to 46 pixel. So have a look, this 46 pixel of font size only be applied on the tablet device. If we go back to the desktop device, you see it's now the bigger font size like before. And if we again go back to the tablet device, you see it's only getting on the tablet devices. So on the tablet device the banner area looks great. Let's now scroll down. In the next section we can also reduce the font size of this heading. So let's select it. Only for the tablet device, go under style tab. From here the title, let's go to its typography. So here only for the tablet device I'm making its font size to 42 pixel instead of 52 pixel. Alright, let's now scroll down. You see it looks kinda messy. So first of all I'm selecting their parent container, this one, and let's go under its advanced tab. On the desktop we have given here 100 pixel of padding, but on the tablet device I'm reducing it to 20 pixel of padding. So right now it looks decent, but also I wanna reduce the padding of this inner container. So I'm selecting the first one, go under its advanced tab, and here I'm making the padding to 20. Let's do the same with others. So I'm selecting the second one, go under advanced tab, I'm making the padding to 20 pixel. Also with the third one, go under advanced tab, and I'm making the padding to 20 pixel as well. Right now this area looks great on tablet device. Next let's scroll down. Everything is looking great, but we cannot see the client logos. So just click over this widget, and here on the tablet device instead of 6 I wanna display 4 logos. So I'm selecting 4. Now at the same time we can see 4 logos only on the tablet devices. Alright, let's now scroll down. Actually we also want to reduce the size of this heading. So again just select it, go under its style tab, open the title, and from the typography I'm making its font size to 42 pixel. So right now it's also looking great on tablet device. Let's now scroll down. Here everything is looking great, but similar like before, select it, go under style tab, open the title, and here I'm making its font size to 42 pixel. And here you see this area is looking kind of busy. So for that reason, first of all I'm selecting it. This is basically the tabs, I mean Elementor tabs. So here on the left side if you have a look, it says responsive settings. So I'm opening it, and here the breakpoint, instead of mobile I'm just setting it to tablet. So on the tablet device it's now looking like it. So if I click on web design, the web design work will go under this web design tab. If I click on branding, the branding projects go under this branding tab. So on the tablet device it's now also looking great. Now let's scroll down. Here we have got our testimonial area. So similar like before, just select it, go under its style tab. From the title, let's open the typography. I'm changing its font size to 42 pixel. Other than that, everything is looking great. By the way, don't worry about this footer and about this header, because we will work with this header and footer later. Now I just wanna check how our website is looking on mobile devices. So from top I'm clicking on mobile. So here on the mobile device the banner area looks kind of busy, so we need to add some space at the top and bottom. So let's just select the main container, I mean the parent container. Now go under its advanced tab, and only on the mobile device I wanna reduce the padding. So here first of all I'm making the padding to 20 pixel. But now let's unlink it, because at the top I want to add more. So here at the top I'm adding 60 pixel of padding top. And also I want to reduce the font size of this heading more on the mobile devices. So here I'm selecting it. Let's go under style tab, from here typography, and only for the mobile device I'm changing its font size to 36 pixel. So right now it looks decent on mobile devices as well. Let's now scroll down. Here we can see the image. Let's now click over this image because I think we need to add some space at the top only on the mobile device. So here with the image, first of all I'm just unlinking the margin, and here at the top I'm just adding 30 pixel of margin top with this image. And also if you remember, on the desktop we have given this image alignment to the right side, but on the mobile device, let's now go under content. Here you see the little mobile tiny icon. So whatever alignment I will set here, that will be applicable only for mobile devices. So on the mobile device I want this to be centered, that's why I'm selecting here centered. Let's now scroll down. I also wanna reduce the font size of this heading, so let's just select it, go under style tab, open the title, and from the typography, only for the mobile devices I'm reducing its font size to 32 pixel. Let's now scroll down. These areas are looking great on mobile device already, and here we cannot see the logos again, so just click over it. And for the mobile device I wanna display here only 2 or 3 images or logos, so here I'm just selecting 2. So when people will browse this website from their mobile device, they can only see 2 logos at a time, and as it's a carousel, so the next images will appear after this. Okay, so let's now scroll down, and here everything is looking great. Also I wanna reduce the font size, so select it, go under style tab, open the title, from here typography I'm just reducing it to 32 pixel, and then everything is looking great. And here we can do one thing, because here at the top the space is looking huge, so let's just select this container, go under its advanced tab, only on the mobile device. First of all I'm just making the padding to 20 and then unlink it, because at the top I wanna add 60. Also at the bottom let's add 60 pixel of padding. Other than that, here we can do another thing. We can just remove this space from left side, so select this one, and first of all we can just reduce the font size from here. So again I'm making it to 32 pixel. Also I wanna remove this space from left side, so go under advanced tab, and here padding I'm making it to 0. So right now it looks decent. And let's scroll down. Everything is looking great on mobile device. Let's scroll down. Also I want to reduce the font size of this heading, select it, from under title let's go to typography, and I'm changing it to 32 pixel. And all these single testimonials are looking great. So we are done with the responsiveness of our home page. So we can just move to the desktop, and we can just click on this top right X to get rid of this responsive option. And to save everything, don't forget to click on this green update button. Next I wanna create our About Us page, and to do that, first of all we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard. But here I just wanna keep open this home page within the Elementor page builder, because we will be needing some elements, because we will be copying some elements from home page and paste that on our About Us page. For that reason I'm not closing this home page, I'm not closing this Elementor page builder. From a different tab I'm just going to WordPress dashboard. Like here we already have opened WordPress dashboard, so from here we can just go to pages, to all pages, and here we can see our about page.